here to take us through the art of this method of calm connection. From the Heartfulness Institute of Jamaica, volunteer trainer Catherine Johnson and meditating trainer Paula Herlock. She's been meditating with them for 4 years. So you know she's just peace and calm all through and through. Is that true?
Can you imagine if I wasn't meditating?
Aha! Good morning, lovely ladies.
Good morning.
All right, I'm going to start with Catherine. Catherine, tell us what is meditation and how that differs from relaxation.
Okay, thank you for having us. Meditation is really focusing attention on one thing, especially heartfulness meditation. The focus is on one thing, the light or the source of light in the heart. Yes? And it's also in heartfulness, what makes it different from every other meditation is the yogic transmission that is being utilized, which is divine energy, that is being utilized in doing this meditation. Without it, it would be just like any other meditation.
Just like a sit down
So,
and
yes,
chill.
so it brings uniqueness to the meditation, and it is sustainable. It gives that peace. You know, you have heard the saying that peace that passeth all human understanding. I can tell you, meditation, especially heartfulness meditation, that's all I can speak of, really gives you this kind of peace of mind and calm. And I must say that this is scientifically proven. So it's not a run-of-the-mill.
Right.
And we generally start our meditation with relaxation because the body should be relaxed, comfortable. We should be comfortable before going into meditation so we can maximize the benefits, which are many.
Yeah, so when you think about meditation and I think about yoga, how do those two differ? Because I know are there certain techniques specific to yoga that's not used in meditation?
Yoga.
Specifically the stretching, maybe?
Yeah.
The different stretch
Okay,
poses?
I'm happy I brought this up
Right.
because we have different kinds of yoga. In heartfulness meditation, it's Raja Yoga, which is the king of all yoga, that is being used to regulate the mind. Then, of course, we have Hatha Yoga, which is physical yoga. And heartfulness meditation, which uses the Raja Yoga, blends very well with Hatha Yoga, which is physical. So the physical, as it says, relates to the outer part, physicality, while the Raja Yoga regulates the mind and have the mind and the heart working in unison, working in harmony. Yes.
Awesome. So Paula, walk us through what a normal meditation would be like. I mean, we don't have the time because it's TV
Right.
land to go through exactly what we
Well-
do, but how do we start? What do we do?
Well, pretty much meditation, as Kathy says, is stilling the mind and the body. It's when we align the body with the heart, in this case, and when you bring those two together in the stillness, then you tap into another source that's beyond yourself. So the simple act of closing the eyes in the morning and meditating brings you a better day. You start your day better and you go out into the world and you literally conquer everything. Everything is smoother, your interactions are smoother, your relationships are smoother, your health is enhanced, your cognitive abilities are enhanced. A lot of companies now are doing this. Google, Facebook, the big
They have their employees
doing
the
meditation. And so it's one of the things that I would like to encourage a lot of the companies here in Jamaica to get their staff involved in meditation, because it's going to enhance productivity. It's going to reduce the stress levels. It's going to reduce depression and
give you a better work
anxiety.
environment if
Yes,
all of that
Precisely,
is-
because
absolutely.
it enhances relationships.
So we speak about the work environment. The most important environment for me starts at home.
Yes.
So family meditation, because you mentioned stillness and children can't stay still. If anyone doesn't know, this is Joshua, by the way. He's my godson, so he's joined us this morning and he's been very restless. So how important is it for families to meditate together?
I'm happy to hear this. You know, the saying goes that a family that prays together stays together. Well, we can also take it a little notch up. The family that meditates together stays together. And the society is what it is as a result of our homes from where we come.
Very true.
And when we get meditation going, if it's even one member in the home meditating, it makes a huge difference because it creates that peace and that calm, and other members without any force will recognize the changes that happens there. And when this happens, you go out into your community making a difference. And to school, we take this meditation to schools as well. We take this meditation everywhere. So once we start with the family, that is the magic.
How do you get children to stay
Yeah.
still?
How do you get them to meditate?
Kathy went into a school earlier on last year, and the school literally transformed. Kathy, tell them about that. Because
Thank you, Paula. We are big into schools because the children matter, and they are the future, as we all know. So we go to schools, and in the junior section, the primary aspect of it, we introduce children to relaxation. And can I tell you, these children are ready. When we go, they are like in the mood.
Yeah.
They are ready, and I'm saying hello, and they cooperate, and they are happy for it. And they take it home to their parents, who sometimes come to us and say, what are you doing? And it feels good, and so on and so forth. So we really would like our schools. We have the conscious living program that we take to school, and we can stay with a school for one term. We can give them a tester. We have the program for teachers. Because Heartfulness, if you visit the website and explore, you'll realize we are big into education. So we go to high schools with the relaxation meditation. With the juniors, we take them just to the relaxation and hone that. As they grow, they get better and better and will be ready for meditation.
And of course, this
naturally.
is obviously something that will help with exam stress.
Oh, yes.
Home stress.
There are a lot of benefits to meditation, and I'm happy you touched on that. For the children, it makes them calmer, it makes them focus, it gets them ready for exam. This is why we go into the universities and the colleges.
Yes.
It helps the parents to better deal
Yes, with the stress that comes with the
that
children.
comes with the children, because in every family, as Tammy I heard saying, the family is an emotional unit.
Yeah.
And when we can actually help them to be stress-free, or not even stress-free, but to manage stress,
Yeah.
to
That's always a
cope.
better way.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's always a
All
better
right,
way.
before we go any further, our producer wants you to guide us through a short meditation, maybe about 2 minutes. if
Yes,
we can
we'll be
get that
happy
done.
to.
And then we will tell everybody where to find you and how to get all this wonderful stuff done. So
Okay.
we're ready. You ready?
Get ready, sir.
You ready,
Welcome
Josh?
to relaxation, Josh.
Josh, relax already. He's like,
Okay, so it's very
So we have to
simple.
sit in
yes, and
before
guess
you.
what? I must say that if you cannot sit in because we do not concentrate on asana, which is the
Postures.
pose. We can sit on chairs. You can sit right where we are, anywhere. Just be comfortable.
Okay.
Okay. So just be relaxed, or start to relax, and close your eyes softly and gently, and just connect with Mother Earth. So often we neglect the beauty of Mother Earth. She cares for us, so it's okay to connect with her. Wiggle your toes and feel the feet relaxing. The ankles are relaxed. The lower legs. Feel the calves being caressed and becoming relaxed. The knees are relaxed. The thighs, the buttocks, the waist, the hip. Just let go. Turn your attention to your lower abdominal muscles. Move the attention slowly right up to the chest. Now turn the attention to the lower back. Move slowly to the middle of the back, right up to the top of the back, and relax. Feel the shoulders as if they are melting away as they go into relaxation. The upper arms are relaxed, the elbows, the forearms, the wrists, the hands, the fingers and fingertips. Both arms are totally relaxed. Now move the awareness to the neck and feel all the muscles there loosening up. They are being relaxed. They are relaxed. Move the attention now to the face. Relax the lips, the cheeks, the nose. The eyes are softly and gently closed. The earlobes are relaxed. The forehead is relaxed. Up to the top of the head is relaxed. Now turn within to the heart and feel that source of light. Feel that love pulling you inward. Remain there for at least a second. Let go.
Well, I feel like I drop asleep.
Ooh, no.
Feel like I drop asleep a while ago.
Joshua, how you feel? Want to sleep? No. He's like, nah, really.
Ready to relax some more.
Yeah, he's
Adults
very
are
relaxed.
sleepy.
From the Heartfulness Institute of Jamaica,
Wow.
volunteer trainer Catherine Johnson and meditating partner Paula Fry.
And don't forget to check them out at www.heartfulness.org, on Twitter at Heartfulness, and on Instagram at Practice Heartfulness.
And
there's
the
an
Hearts app, we must mention the
Mention
Hearts
it.
app.
Hearts
Yes.
And download the Heartfulness app. Come on, guys. Let's all start meditating and make the place a more
Wiggle your
calm
toes.
country.
Wiggle your toes.
Thank you so much for stopping by, ladies.
Thank you for
Or
having
am I
us.
supposed to say namaste?
Yeah, namaste. It's quite okay.
Thank you so much. Whew. We're gonna go for a break. See if we can wake up. And we'll be right back.